Principal, I must appreciate you and thank you for this, and I want to clap for whatever good work you have done. Excellent. Needless to say, you need a good leader for everything. I must thank Dr. V.S. Sudhanvar for giving that leadership to this institution. Thank you, sir. You have got a wonderful team here. Thanks to, I heard that the chairman of the dental council is from a college, a feather in the cap. So appreciation to him also and his team also. I don't have the freedom to remove the cap like you have removed or remove this normally. A old tradition they told, so I'm normally very informal. But this time I can't afford to do that. But in my speech, I think I can take the liberty. So now that the formal part is over, let's come to the informal part. 4.5 years you have been listening to people speaking. And why you want to have another one the last day actually of your college? That's why I was telling that I won't make any speech, but then I said, no, you have to talk to them. क्या बात करेंगे अभी? One of the students who was graduating once remarked to me saying that, Sir Talaji say I am very happy because I don't need to read. But I understand that is not applicable to you. आपको जो whether you have finished the college or not, this is one profession where you have to continuously in touch with your studies. Otherwise, I think you will lose the race. हमारा engineering में ऐसा नहीं है actually. I have forgotten completely whatever read in the college, the chemical engineering department, and still I can survive. But you can't afford to do that. मुझे actually are 5 important things which every student, when he leaves the comfort zone of the college, it's definitely a comfort zone. इतना लोग हैं आपको देखभाल करने के लिए, घर में father and mother are there, and here you have your faculty, your principal, they all protect you. So when you leave this and go to the world, there are 5 things you should remember. ऐसा ही लिखा था तो this is the hand, not the Congress symbol. Hand. Remember these 5 fingers here afterwards. I know that you are a dentist, not like a doctor, you will be seeing the hand, you will be seeing the tooth actually. But still, remember these 5 fingers. This is what I have learned, which I think I should share with you. आप लोगों को मालूम है, but फिर भी I wanted to put it in a capsule, like a medicine, you know. एक गोली में your headache or fever will go down actually. See, number one is the first thing. Number is that very, very important that none of us sitting in the room will be here in this earth in another 100 years. None of us. Anybody thinks that you will live? Like you was telling, the institution 100 years is celebrating. 1916 KLE was started. When you celebrate the 100th anniversary of this organization, none of the persons who started will be alive. Similarly, none of us will be alive after 100 years. So this transient life should never be forgotten. I remember a small joke I heard. It came in the TV also. So there is one old man sitting in the chair comfortably. So somebody comes running in the room. He says that, आग लग गया. So this person says, why are you shouting? बोलता है कि फैक्ट्री में पूरा आग लग गया. And he says, तो तेरा क्या है? So the guy says, नहीं साहब, फैक्ट्री आपका है, इसलिए आग लग गया. बोलता है कि तो मेरा है ना, तुम्हारा क्या है करके. So this shows the cool attitude. You should realize that don't take anything so seriously, because all will pass. Everything will pass. There's another famous story when Akbar asked his minister Birbal, saying that बहुत खुश थे actually. Akbar, he was very, very happy. So suddenly he called Birbal and said, you answer all my questions. अभी I have a question for you. ऐसा एक बात बोलना सुनने में मुझे जो इतना खुश है my happiness should come down to level. At the same time, if any person who is very sad, ये same बात सुन के you should feel happy. Can you say something like that? करके पूछे थे actually. So the king thought, I have asked a very very intelligent question. This guy will not be able to answer. तो बीरबल ने सोचा फिर बताया. I have a sentence for that, and he said, ये वक्त गुजर जाएगा. He said, this time will pass. Your happiness will pass. और जो भी बहुत sad है, who is very very unhappy, tell the same thing to him. The time will pass. Have that. Never forget this point. Whatever is there is transient. Whatever success, failure, whatever happens, उसमें 50% आपका है. बाकी का इसका है, बाकी 50 ऊपर वाला क्या. ठीक है. इसलिए when you are very successful, don't take it to your head. When you are very sad, don't take it to your heart. वो भी वक्त गुजर जाएगा. In total, everything will be balanced. So never forget that morning when you get up and see your thumb, remember that this is the foundation of life. That life will pass. If you have that, you will be balanced. Balance क्यों चाहिए? क्योंकि when you are balanced, you will be able to take right decisions. और गुस्सा में decision लेते हैं कि ठीक रहता है क्या? Most of the time we only think, I know this is applicable to many of the faculty and teachers actually. बहुत गुस्से में था, कुछ बोल दिया उनको करके. So be balanced. Remember the thumb. And second is the index finger. Index finger is for what? Any guess? Any guess? Parents भी है यहाँ. Life में बहुत आगे देख चुके हैं, बहुत कुछ देख चुके हैं. Which is the next important thing you feel in life? हाँ बोलिए. Okay. The index finger stands for positive. Whatever happens to you, please don't feel sad and think of negative things. बोलता है ना, मतलब चलो यार, let's attempt the exam. तो ये सारे यार मेरा तो नहीं होगा यार. स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा बोलेगा तो कैसे हो सकता है? In the war, I heard that Hitler once removed his general because when he told the general, okay, this is the plan of attack, the general said, I am not sure, sir, there will be some problem. He said that, okay, if you are not sure about going ahead, you should not go ahead. So he replaced with somebody else. So you have to be positive. Positive think करने के लिए कुछ खर्च नहीं होता है. You don't lose anything by thinking positive. Because you start thinking negative, you lose the capacity. I mean, you're all doctors and you not teach you, but it says that your brain, when it feels that it is not going to win, 50% you already lost actually. उसके बाद में, even after if you win, it's purely your luck, nothing from your effort side actually. So don't live a life on luck. Put your effort. Always be positive. Any circumstances, whatever is given, try to see the positive side. बहुत कुछ example है, I don't want to bore you with a lot of examples. Starting from the glass of water, आधा पानी आधा खाली, ऐसे बहुत कुछ example है internet में. If you have time, go and see it actually. But yes, be positive. If you are negative, you are not going to start anything, not going to achieve anything. Okay, what is the third one? The middle finger, the longest one for. लोग कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, but finally क्या मैटर करता है? You have to win. To show this hand is for victory. You have to win. Please keep in mind. ठीक है, life is short and all, you remember that, but finally when you are in the race, you have to win. अब फुटबॉल खेलने के लिए जाते हैं, असम में you should not say that, अरे ये तो anyway life is transient, nothing is going to happen, I'm not going to win. Don't say like that. You have to do your work. Like madam has taken, I don't call it for poetry actually, there was a good picture, so I wrote some comment for that, whatever she recited at the starting. Like that, there are so many things you can lose your mind into, but the wheel of the life has to move. If that wheel does not move, you would not have been born actually. So it is your responsibility to win in the life, because बहुत पहले डार्विन साहब ने बोल के गया, क्या बोला? सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट. सो फिट रहना, Don't be weak and don't lose. There's nothing wrong in it, nothing selfish about it. Always try to win. If you are positive, the second thing automatically comes is winning actually. उसके लिए थोड़ा hard work करना पड़ता है. You have to work hard and you have to win. And the fourth one, the fourth point, I'll say the fourth thing, what is it? When you win, when you climb up the ladder, don't forget the ladder. Lot of people help you to reach the top. Lot of people. Never forget them. Because if you forget them, then what will happen is you lose track of the path where you walked. Then sometimes you may have to retract back. ऊपर में रहना बहुत आसान नहीं है. It's not so easy actually. It's very difficult. Like our ex-PM Atal Bihari Vajpayee said, it's very, very lonely at the top. And very few people can stay there for a long time. तो थोड़ा सा आप पीछे भी आएंगे actually. If you have forgotten your steps, you will fall down. So please remember the hard work and the sacrifice done by your parents, the sacrifice done by your teachers. बोल सकते हैं नहीं वो अपना अपना काम किए करके. It is not that. अपना अपना, if they do work to rule, you will not get that extra mile which they have run. You will never know. Your professor, your faculty would have done an extra time of preparation so that you will get exposure to the subject properly. So always remember that. Small things, somebody would have helped you when you are not well. When you go back to room today, if you have practice of writing diary, please try to remember all names of all the people from the day when you joined the college till today who have contributed something to your growth. Write it down. बाद में भूल जाएंगे. Write it. It's an important page. After 10-20 years, when you become old like me, when you turn the diary pages and look at the names, you'll be surprised. At least 50% of the name you won't remember that time. इसलिए लिख के रख लेना. And if you happen to call them that time, after 10 years or 15 years, talk to them and tell them, I remember you. Whatever work they have done for you, they will be feeling extremely happy. And there is nothing in the world like giving happiness to others. करेंगे क्या? We'll do that? आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है. Thank you. That should include your lab assistant, technician, everybody. Please write down all the names. And the last important point, the last finger, small. What does it mean actually? The small finger, it means the people who are lesser than you. Who are lesser than you economically, socially, whichever way you think. By position, whatever it may be. You should never lose your vision on them. You know why? क्यों? Are you doing something favor for them? What else? In your college, to educate you, the government has contributed something in some way. I'm sure doctors sitting here will know which way they contributed. And what is government? Government is nothing but what is made of the tax paid by not only you, but also the person who is pulling the rickshaw outside the road. So, the money which is being paid by the auto rickshaw outside the road, the poor persons who work day and night, daily wages, they all, when they buy a matchbox, when they buy rice, they pay a part of that as a tax to the government. And the government spends money to build the colleges, build the roads you travel. And those people who are educated like you and me, we are the people who benefit maximum from the government. We spend so much of money on road. Now I know actually, I am in the department. Road को ज़्यादा कौन use करता है? Cycle वाले use करते हैं कि car वाले use करते हैं? The guy who goes on the car uses the road most. So you are being subsidized by the poor man in the street. Never forget him actually. That is why I think your principal also would have told all of you, in your career, you'll all become very successful. I pray to God that you'll become real big persons. When I become old, I need to have some dental filling, I'll come to you. That time I want to hear from you saying that, sir, in my career, every year, I treat 1, 10, 50, 100 poor patients without any charge. Write this also in your diary. हमारा याद ज़्यादा नहीं रहती है actually. Forget things. Write down in your diary. You can see it. Many times you are tempted. We are tempted to forget things which are convenient for us to forget. Write it down. If you do these 5 things, ये 5 करने में आपका क्या फायदा है? क्या फायदा है? What is the use? Anybody? Any guess? Well, who said that? Peaceful. Okay, very good. She is right. You can be peaceful, and peace means happiness. एक बार a question was asked before Albert Einstein. Somebody asked, what is the meaning of life? Any answers? What is the meaning of life? Or what is the purpose for life? What is the purpose? Okay, very good answer from you. But what did Einstein say? Guess. What did Einstein answer to that? Purpose of life. Any guess? Huh? Discover. Good. Anybody guess? Anybody guess कर सकते हैं? कोई problem नहीं है. Another 80 minutes में I will be closing my speech. Any guess? Huh? Go on. Yeah. Close to the answer actually. Einstein actually said life has no purpose. He said life has no purpose. Then he put a comma there. He said, but it is better that you invent one. He said, it has no purpose, better you invent one. So all of you invent a purpose for your life. But whatever purpose you invent for yourself, happiness has to be a part of it. You can't say that my purpose name is so and so, that is connected with my sadness. Nobody can say that actually. Isn't it? So, the purpose of life, whatever you invent for yourself, write that also in the diary. Don't worry, it may change. Don't worry about it. At least you know that on the convocation day, what was my purpose in life? You can remember that. Then you can keep on changing it after 5 years, 10 years. But have something. If you do not have a goal, you will keep straying here and there. So always know, if you want to go from Bangalore to Chennai, then you know which road to go. If you say that I just want to walk, then you'll walk somewhere. Have a goal, and that goal will be filled with happiness. And if you do these 5 things, I have seen all the people who have remembered these 5 things, they have never been unhappy. They have been always peaceful. Peaceful करने में क्या फायदा है? The advantage is if you are peaceful and happy, people around you will be happy and peaceful. And what is the use in that? If people around you are very happy, they will not trouble you. You ask all the married men and women, they know it. So, be happy and have a purpose for your life. This is what I wanted to share with you, and I wanted to once again congratulate all these people who have graduated today with flying colors, appreciations. Wish you all the best, and I pray to God to bless you all the people who are sitting here. Thank you very much for the opportunity.